today. I will not worry what tomorrow will bring. Oh, no. I'm gonna try something new and walk through this day like I got nothing to prove. Yeah, yeah. Although I have the best intentions, can't predict anyone's reactions, so I just do my best.